Precision Door, a name you can trust.
Precision's motto is a name you can trust. We take that very seriously. We know that it's important to you that you want to know who's coming out to your house. That's why Precision Door shows up in a marked vehicle with a state license displayed. Technicians are always in uniform. Even before the technician or installer gets to your home, you'll receive an email with a photo and a biography of the guy who's coming out. So if we tell you Jason's coming out to your house today, you'll see a picture of Jason identifying who he is and a short bio about what he likes to do besides putting in garage doors. We do this so you feel confident Precision Door is sending out the right person for the right job and to be the company that you can trust.
Precision Door Service, a name you can